Now the topic is salts. Salts are formed due to the neutralization reaction, meaning when acid and base react with each other, both of them try to neutralize each other effect, and as a result a salt and water are formed. So the salts are the result of the neutralization reaction. The most commonly used salt is sodium chloride, common salt. Its chemical name is sodium chloride. Now, sodium chloride is formed by the reaction of sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. In the sodium chloride salt, the sodium part, sodium is a metal and it comes from base, and chloride part, the that is non-metal and it comes from the acid. So non-metal gives acidic part and metal gives basic part, and the name is sodium chloride. Now hydrated salt. Hydrated salts means some salts have hidden water molecules fixed in them. Such water molecules present in the salt, they are called water of crystallization. This water gives them a particular shape and color. For example, copper sulfate. Copper sulfate is hydrated salt and its color is blue. When we heat this disappears and it becomes colorless, and when we sprinkle some water again over this anhydrous copper sulfate, then it regain its blue color. So the water of crystallization gives color and particular shape of the crystals to the particular salt. Some common salts are table salt or common salt. Its chemical name is sodium chloride and its formula is NaCl. Na for sodium, Cl for chlorine. So it is NaCl. Second is limestone marble and chemically it is called calcium carbonate and its formula is CaCO3. Ca for calcium and CO3 for carbonate. So it is calcium carbonate. Third salt is soda ash. Its chemical name is anhydrous sodium carbonate. Anhydrous sodium carbonate and its formula is Na2CO3. Next is chili saltpeter. Chili saltpeter is common name and its chemical name is sodium nitrate and formula is NaNO3. Na again for sodium and NO3 for nitrate. Next salt is green vitriol. Green vitriol, it is the chemical name of this salt is hydrated ferrous sulfate. Hydrated ferrous sulfate. And its chemical formula is FeSO4 into 7H2O and it is green in color. FeSO4 that is ferrous sulfate into 7H2O that is water of crystallization is present, and because of water of crystallization it is green in color. And the last salt in the table is blue vitriol and blue vitriol chemical name is hydrated copper sulfate and its formula is CuSO4 into 5H2O and it is blue in color. Again जो 5H2O है ये वाटर ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइजेशन है और वाटर ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइजेशन गिव इट अ ब्लू कलर. The next table is about classification of salts. Salts are classified into three groups: normal salts, basic salts and acidic salt. Normal salt का means है कि this salt does not contain any replaceable hydrogen atom in its molecule and these are neutral. And basic salt means this is formed by incomplete neutralization of a base. A basic salt may further react with acid to form a normal salt. And the third one is acidic salt. An acid salt still has replaceable hydrogen ion Acid salt ionized in water to show the property of an acid. And beside these, there are some other types of salts. They are double salts, mixed salt, and complex salts. Now, topic is uses of acids, bases, and salt. First is uses of acid. Different acids which we use, they are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, and acetic acid. Now, hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is used in leather industry and printing, and it is also used in the synthesis of chemicals. Sulfuric acid, it is used in the manufacture of fertilizers, paints, explosive, and many other chemicals. And it is also called the king of chemical. Sulfuric acid is known as king of chemical. It is used in car batteries also, and it is used in the dry cleaner. Now, nitric acid, it is used in the manufacture of fertilizers. It is used for making explosive also. And the acetic acid, it is used in the food preservation. Acetic acid, that is the edible acid, and we use in the pickle also, in chow mein also, and it is used as a solvent. Now the topic is uses of bases. Some commonly used bases are calcium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, and ammonium hydroxide. And their uses are calcium hydroxide. It is also called slackline, and it is used in making bleaching powder. It is used in neutralizing acidic soil, in softening of hard water, and for whitewashing also. Sodium hydroxide, it is used in the manufacture of soap, and it is used in the manufacture of paper and medicines also. Magnesium hydroxide, it is used to manufacture antacids of frequently used medicines to cure acidity. And ammonium hydroxide, it is used to manufacture fertilizers such as ammonium nitrate. So this is about the uses of bases. Topic is uses of salt. Salts are used in our day-to-day life according to their property. Their one important property is hygroscopic, and this is the property of a salt to absorb moisture from the environment without getting dissolved in it. Example, silica gel, quicklime. So these salts absorb moisture from the environment without dissolving in these. And when you purchase electronic item, then you have seen small cloth bag inside it. These cloth bags contain desiccating agents, that is some salt that keep the deserts dry. Now some commonly used salts are sodium chloride. It is used in the cooking and manufacturing of many compounds like sodium carbonate and many more, etc. Sodium carbonate, it is also called washing powder, and it is used for washing clothes. Calcium carbonate, it is marble. It is used for flooring in houses and buildings. Sodium bicarbonate, it is used in making cakes and bread and to make them fluffy and soft. And potash alum, it is used to purify water. Silver nitrate, it is used in black and white photography. And ammonium nitrate, it is used in the manufacture of fertilizer and explosive.